Welcome. In this session, we will explore generative AI, the technology behind ChatGPT, Gemini, and more. You will learn what generative AI is, how it works, where it is used, and why it's become one of the most transformative technologies of our time. Generative AI refer to an artificial intelligence system that can create new content. This includes text, image, audio, code, videos, design, even 3D models. Instead of just analyzing data, generative AI produces original output based on what it has learned. With generative AI, we can create essay, story, script, image, arts, and digital designs, music, speech, and sound effect, video, and animation. It's like having a smart creative partner that never sleeps. Generative AI is powered by deep learning model trained on vast amount of data. During training, the model learn patterns, how language is structured, how images looks, how music flows. Once trained, it can predict and generate new content that resemble what it was trained on. One major form of generative AI is the large language model or LLM. Models like GPT, Cloud, Llama, and Gemini can understand and generate human like text. They work by predicting the next word in a sequence, but at scale, this results in surprisingly intelligent behavior like reasoning, writing, and coding. For images, tools like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E use diffusion models. They start with random noise and gradually refine it until a clear image form based on the prompt. This is how AI can turn text like a futuristic city at sunset into a high quality picture. Generative AI is important because it accelerates creative and productivity. Tasks that once took hours or days, writing a report, designing a visuals, planning a lesson, generating a code, now take seconds. It allows individual and business to scale work faster than ever before. Here are some real world applications. Business. In business, marketing content, email automation, customer support, for software, code generation, debugging, documentation, for media, logos, poster, videos, storytelling, all that with almost every industry in seeing transformation. So there are lots of benefits, but the power come with a responsibility. Generative AI also brings challenges, hallucinations, copyright concern, bias, and ethical issues, misinformation risk. Hallucination, where AI may generate incorrect information. Copyright concern, where especially with the image model happen. So understanding these limits help us use AI wisely. The future of generative AI is exciting. We are moving from simple chatbot to agentic AI system that can plan, reason, act, and collaborate. Soon, AI will not only generate content but also complete tasks end to end, becoming a true digital coworker. If you enjoyed this overview, hit like, share this video, and subscribe.